My name is Ajatashatru Lavash Patel.
Aja, eat. You have to be strong if you want me to take you with me to Paris one day.
Come and see the famous Aja!
When I was young, I knew nothing about the rest of the world. Then the bad news came. Ma! I'm taking my mother to Paris. Love in Paris is 10 times stronger than anywhere else. Honey, I can't find the keys to my car. Sorry, I really have to test the living room before buying them. Maria and I bonded instantaneously when I told her all about India. I'll see you tomorrow under the Eiffel Tower.
Okay. Oh, here in Paris, we do it on the cheeks.
Since I had no money, I chose to stay there for the night.
That one.
Where are we going?
London.
London?
Please, I have to go back to Paris.
Karma. It works every time.
You're a refugee?
Yes.
I have a special gift. I read the future in traffic.
Chance is everything. We play with the hand it deals us. And these are the cards chance dealt me.
Aja, you are in control of your life.
You all are illegal immigrants?
And you are not?
I'm a tourist.
Traveling in a wardrobe.